Is there such a thing as a master mentor? I've been reading a number of articles over the last number of days taking a look at mentoring in the workplace, and they've been using this term master mentor, as in, if things are not going quite as well as they would like, do they need to be able to create a master mentor who is then helping all the mentors that are in the organization? That was the premise of the articles. And it got me thinking, is there such a thing as a master mentor? And that's what I want to explore with you. Welcome. Dr. Stephen Hobbs here from the Wealth Movement. I've been a facilitative mentor for about 30 years, and I've been tackling questions like, is there such a thing as a master mentor? And with my colleagues, I have brought that to the surface many times. And this is a perspective I'd like to offer to you at this point in time. We have to really be alert to the adjective that we put in front of mentor, in this case, master mentor. Sometimes a term like competent mentor makes sense. Master mentor maybe not make sense. It's in the situation in which you're using the adjective with the mentor. And so I'm going to put out on the table the following. I believe that when you become a competent mentor, which is what we offer through the international mentoring community, of which there is a link below here that you can go explore this idea of competence and mentoring. When you become a competent mentor, it's a verification that you have met the concepts and skills necessary to understand what it means to be a mentor and to use mentoring tools and techniques. To be called a master mentor suggests that you've achieved some new level and then there's another level that I believe is a misnomer. It actually gives you a false sense of security. I think if you're a competent mentor, you're a competent mentor. I know within the international mentoring community, we do use the word journey in front of mentor, journey mentor, and we're linking this with the mental health area where people are requiring someone to join them on their journey that may not necessarily be a full mental health worker or a crisis facilitator, but they need to be able to have the opportunity to ask some questions of someone who understands about mentoring, and not to say that that mentor is going to prescribe or say follow these instructions, but has the tools and techniques to be able to guide the person in some elements of evolvement of that person. So we're exploring that. I'm not saying that we've got it all put together, but we're exploring that, and we call that journey mentor. But this notion of a master mentor in the workplace, I'm not for that. I believe that a competent mentor serves as a mentor. You are a mentor. And what you then do is you might have some experience with that mentoring and be recognized for that in the organization in which you're working. From a business perspective, if you were to open up your own business and put the shingle out that you're a mentor, it might be a bit of a misnomer to say that I'm a master mentor. Is what you are is a mentor who can serve the needs and wants of the customers and clients who are coming to you because A, you understand the concepts and processes of mentoring. Maybe B, you have the substance of what they're looking for, because if they're wanting to be a project manager and you served as a project manager, then you can help out. If you're a mom with kids and one of the little ones has had a hard time through life, and then you could mentor other mothers who are looking for something similar. To use that term master, I think, is a misnomer. It takes us into a bit of a rabbit hole. And I would encourage you, you're a mentor. If you're competent and mentor, and to work from that perspective. Also, I'm doing a course on coaching and mentoring because there's a lot of confusion around those terms as well. And I offer, there's a link down below in terms of what's available in terms of decoding this coaching and mentoring world. Would so appreciate hearing what you think about what I'm sharing. And does it align with what you're thinking? Do you have a different perspective that you'd like to offer? I'm asking for those perspectives just because sometimes I can get caught in my own bias as someone who's been a facilitator mentor for so long that I might miss a nuance or I might actually miss something completely. And I'm always looking to learn. As I affectionately say, if they put pictures beside words in the dictionary, my picture would be beside the word curiosity. And so I'm curious, do you have a sense of, am I on track? Am I going down a side track? Maybe I've fallen off the track. Would enjoy hearing from you. I have an ask of you: subscribe, comment, share, like this video, and ring the bell so that you can receive notification. Also, what follows is some information about one of the latest courses or books that are available to you.